What's going on, YouTube? So we sitting in here in the office and we got a package from Mike in Arizona. Got some plants in, and so we gonna go ahead and get this opened up. Mike in Arizona. And so if it wasn't for my aquarium box, I personally probably would have never known about Mike. Well, I take that back. I would have, because what's his name? Is it Cooper Cichlids? Let me see what's the name of his channel? Yeah, Cooper Cichlids. He did an unboxing from Mike. I don't know, maybe about a month ago, maybe a little bit longer. But I found out about Mike via my aquarium box. So here we go, getting into it, and I'm glad it made it today, because if it would have gotten delayed, it probably wouldn't have gotten here for quite some time, because as you all know, here in Houston, Southeast Texas rather, we are about to get some pretty awful weather rolling through here. So I'm glad it got here when it did. So this is the plants, and they are packaged lovely. And let's see. Oh, this is the dwarf sage and the red tiger lotus. Yeah, the red tiger lotus. We got some dwarf sage in here and the red tiger lotus. Let's see if you guys can see that. So that's what's in that bag. And then here we have 1, 2, 3. So these are the red melon swords, and I know they don't look red now, but you know, there's a couple of leaves coming in that are red. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a couple of leaves coming in that's red. So hopefully this will work out nicely in the tank. And what else do we have here? Oh, Mike gave me another business card. Mike from Arizona. So good looking plants, and can't wait to get it in the tank. We're gonna work on that here in a little bit. And that's this unboxing video. You know, I'm always adding plants to the tank just because I don't want it to be a sparsely planted tank. I want it to be, you know, heavily planted tank. So that's why we're constantly getting new plants going in there. I think my next step is going to be to get some get a few more Anubias plants. I'm gonna get some Java fern, and then I've been contemplating getting some type of moss, but I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna go that route. My red root floaters are doing well. Everything in the tank is growing. So that's a good thing. And this is, I'll go ahead and show you guys what the tank looks like right this second. Adjust my little tripod here. And wifey got me. I love my wife. She always doing stuff like picking up little things for me. But sorry about the glare. That's actually coming from a bathroom. But this is what it looks like right now. The LED floodlights aren't on. They're on a timer, and they won't come on till about noon Houston time, which is Central Daylight Time, and it's what, 11:15 now. So they still have some time before the actual floodlights come on. The LED strip light is on right now. And so, like I say, everything in the tank is growing, which is a good thing. I'm gonna add some Java fern. As of right now, it's gonna be roughly 6 sword plants in there. There's a there's a couple of red. Let's see, reds. Oh man, I forgot what's in the tank. Sorry about that. I will list the plants that are in there in the description, but it's gonna get the dwarf sads, the red tiger lotus, and 3 more of the red melon swords. So it should, hopefully it should be looking pretty good here. That's the hope anyway. So as always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna bring you guys back over here for a second so we can show off Mike's plants one more time. This is the dwarf sage and the red tiger lotus and the 3 red melon swords. So say as always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you all later.